none of their cares. All right, YouTubes. I got a call up here for an ice maker. They said it's making a squeaky noise. Put a comment down below. What do you think it's gonna be? Water pump? Condenser fan motor? Maybe water inlet solenoid valve? Squeaky ice maker. Let's get out here. Let's check it out. Mr. Tippins. Hey. You're hanging in there today, buddy. That's good to see. All right, just hang out there for a second. That's all right. Little splash-o-matic.
Yeah, it's cream. It's gross.
We're going into harvest. Good timing. Let's see. 400 pounder. Oh yeah. The buggo. Buggo. Of course. This is great. Got here at good time. You get to see it go through a harvest cycle. .7 amps. See if there's a coil in there still. I gotta narrow it down. I can't tell if it's, I don't think it's the actual fan motor. I think it's something in the metal over here wiggling. Wiggle waggle. Maybe.
Isn't it pretty old?
Yeah. Kind of fan, like almost like a fan blade noise. The amp draw on the motor's good. Ooh, the amp draw didn't climb up though on the fan motor while it's running. Alright, got my 1/4" extension. Put that on the nut. Get that access loose. Push the fan blade in. Then you can get to the shaft to clean it up. The blade's gonna have to come off to get this motor out. So there's T3, one of the evaporator sensors. Just fell apart. It's located over here. Right there is where it goes. Oh, nice little clamp. Hey, what's going on, man?
How you doing?
Gonna replace this condenser fan motor.
You want any more?
All right, so you got to take the top 2 screws out. These ones can stay in. Get the fan blade off. I pull it back and then I flip it. And then you can move the section line a little bit. And you can bring it out like this. And then I'll get that dude out of there. And we can pull the fan blade and do the wash-a-rooski on the old fan blade. They get dirty too. And we can inspect this fan blade. See if there's any rivets getting loose or anything. I'll see if I can get all this off of here. And when I get to scrubbing. Here's the bracket, the motor bracket. You got the two mounting holes go to the top and the two slots go to the bottom. All right, I got my fan blade all cleaned up. I wanted to blow the condenser out with nitrogen, back blow it, but I couldn't because they're making salads over there. But I was able to wash it out real good with some coil and some water. But I wasn't able to blow it out. So now I'm gonna try and get the motor back in here through here. And we'll start this rebuild. I did have a sensor on the truck, so I got a new sensor in there. See how this works, and we'll get this back together. All right, that one had the funky condenser fan motor, and then the probes for the balance walk, you could actually use the probes for like T3, T4. I had some probes for the true Solitech type thermostat, are the same as ohms ratings. It worked out really good. Thanks for watching NorCal Refrigeration and H.V.A.C. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.